Greetings, everybody. I'm the Midlife YouTuber, and I'm going to tell you why you need to wait. Wait, what? Wait.
Wait.
That's the exact opposite of everything I've told you, isn't it? I've told you to just do the thing. I'll explain. But before I explain, I'm just going to remind everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you know somebody who would enjoy this video or who could take advantage of some of the information that I'm laying out here, somebody who would pick up the stuff that I'm putting down, kind of know what I'm saying? You know anybody like that? Please share the video with them. And why? Because sharing is caring. So now, if you guys remember an amazing genius of a musician named Tom Petty, who unfortunately has since passed away, but his music lives on. I mean, I'm a big Tom Petty fan, and he made a song called "The Waiting Is the Hardest Part," and I always that song resonated with me. I'm not a really very patient guy, and that's kind of come through in my message with when I told everybody, just stop overthinking, stop wanting to do something and just do it. Get out and do it. Do the thing. Catch your first fish. Reach your first goal. Do it. Just get out there and do it, man. Stop overthinking it. And now I have the gall. I got the balls to come here and look at all of you and tell you, wait, hold on, stop, wait, I want you to wait. It's kind of the opposite of what I've been saying to everybody, right? Well, it is and it's not. I'm not telling you to stop making YouTube videos. I'm not telling you to wait on making YouTube videos. But what I am going to tell you is to wait on publishing them. Wait on making those videos go live. So now you're going to get mad at me. Stop. Everybody's yelling. Stop yelling. I'm sensitive. Stop yelling at me. I get it. I know. You spent days coming up with a title, coming up with a thumbnail, scripting it. Then you had to face your fears and you had to tape it. You had to make the actual video, and you did 152 different takes before you finally had one that you thought was good. And then you had to edit this thing. Holy shit, you had to edit this. It took you fucking hours. And it's finally all done, and you're going to upload it onto YouTube. And now I'm telling you, after all that work, after all that time and effort, now I'm saying, wait? Yeah, fuck you, midlife YouTuber. No, I'm not going to wait. No, hold on. Hold on. Wait. And here's the reason why. Now, I've spoken about the algorithm before many times and talked about ways that we can kind of put ourselves in a better light with the algorithm. This is actually the number one thing that I've heard from so many people that know more than I do. People that I respect, people that I trust, and things that I've seen work. And this video is going to be the first one that I actually put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to do the waiting game on this. And here's the thing. So whenever you put up a video, it takes time for the YouTube algorithm robots to kind of crawl all over your video and make sure that you're not doing something horrible. And by something, I mean, there are some horrible videos out there, but I mean like actually horrible. Things with nudity, things with sex, things with violence, things that have no business on this channel. It's because anybody can post a video and it can be up for a few days, and it'll probably take a day or two before something bad like that will get caught. They let you upload it, and then as soon as they can, they go through the video. Now think about how many videos are being uploaded. Now, of course, the priority in this, the priority for YouTube to say, hey, this is a good video, let's send it out to thousands and thousands and millions of people, is going to go to the major creators, the people that have been on YouTube, that are established on YouTube, that they know, hey, I know this guy always posts videos, they're always safe, so let's just check it out real quick and get it done, and then this guy can get his millions of views and he'll be happy and we can move on. Because they know those guys are going to be generating a lot of money for YouTube, because a lot of people watch, a lot of people subscribe. So they're putting the resources rightly where they should, with the people who are the most popular creators. So that means it's going to take your videos a little bit longer, 1-2 days, maybe even a little bit longer than that. So if you put it in private, when you, instead of hitting publish, you go private, and then you save it and you let it sit there for a couple days, that gives the YouTube algorithm bots the time they need to climb all over your video, to check the whole thing out, and then go, yep, cool, this one's safe, no problems, he's good to go. Now we can send him out to thousands of people. And then after you wait that time, or you can either publish it or you can have it scheduled to be published within a couple days. You do that. Now YouTube isn't going, well, we're not sure if people should watch this video, so we're only going to let a couple hundred people have the opportunity to look at this. Now it's going, hey, we know this video is safe. We're going to send it out to thousands of people. We're going to send it out to more people than we would have had he just published it straight away. This is what I've been told from multiple sources. So this is what we're going to see. I think it's right. I believe that it's right because, again, the creators that are posting this advice, that have been posting this advice for a while, I haven't actually followed this advice, but I finally decided that, you know what, I'm gonna do it today. So this video that you're watching, I'm filming it Monday morning. It's gonna go live Wednesday evening, 4 p.m. So Wednesday, 4 p.m., you watch this, know that I filmed this on Monday, and I did the waiting part. So now it's your turn. Let a video sit for 2 days. See if that video that you let sit gets more views than your other videos. If it does, we know for sure that it works. If it gets a lot more, then hey man, we just hit a gold mine, gorgeous piece of opportunity, some brilliant advice. So that's what this video is about. So now go listen to some Tom Petty, but first, go catch your first fish. All right guys, I'm the Midlife YouTuber, telling you to have a great day. Go do something amazing. Be brilliant, be wonderful. Go catch the world by storm, go catch your first fish. Take care everybody.